Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will show you how to quickly install YOLOv7 on Windows. This method is demonstrated in Windows 11, but it is also applicable to Windows 10 and 7. The Python installer must first be downloaded. To download the Python installer, open a browser and navigate to the following URL. Then click Downloads and then Windows. We choose the stable releases. We will choose the latest version of Python when this course is created, which is Python 3.10.7. If your computer is running Windows 7, scroll down to download Python version 3.8.5. We scroll up again. Download Python by clicking the Windows installer link, making sure to adjust it to the computer's operating system, 32-bit or 64-bit. Wait until the download is finished. When you're finished, go to the Downloads folder and open the file. Then double-click the installer file to install Python. It will look like this. Checklist on Add Python 3.10 to Path. This allows Python to be accessed through the command prompt. Click Install Now to begin the installation. Wait until the installation is finished. If the installation was successful, the following screen will appear. Click Close. Next, we'll look at Python from the command line. Press Windows key +R on the keyboard, then type cmd, then the command prompt will appear like this. To see the version of Python installed, type Python -v and press Enter. If you see the Python version, your installation was successful. Following the installation of Python, the next step is to download the Python source code required to run YOLOv7. Launch a browser and navigate to the following Google Drive link. There are two files, Python source code and Waits YOLOv7. First, download the source code. Wait until the download is finished. When you're finished, go to the Downloads folder and open the file. Move the source code to the desired location. In this case, the source code will be saved in D directory. Copy by pressing Ctrl+C. Paste in D directory by pressing Ctrl+V. The next step is to extract the source code. The extraction in this video is performed using Windows 11 tools. You can also use the WinRAR or 7-zip applications. To extract files using Windows 11 tools, right-click on the file and select Extract All. Enter the D directory in the destination folder. Click Extract. The extracted folder, namely the YOLOv7 Python, will then appear. To enter that folder, double-click on it. There are several files and folders in this folder. Detection.py is the main file for detecting objects with YOLOv7. Requirements.txt contains the prerequisites for running YOLOv7. YOLOv7 tiny.onnx is a YOLOv7 tiny weights file. Following that is a data folder. we enter the data folder. There are several folders and files in this folder. Sample images for detection can be found in the images folder, specifically files horses, road, and sedan. Then there's the videos folder, which contains detection video samples. There is a road.mp4. Then there's the class.names file, which contains 80 detectable class names, 80 of which are based on the MS Coco dataset. We will continue by explaining about install requirements and run object detection. See you then.